If your dry fire practice feels repetitive, or you're not sure if it's actually making you a better shooter, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Today we're checking out the Mantis TitanX, a training system designed to make dry fire more engaging, more realistic, and more effective. It's a pretty cool product, but is it worth the money? Many people think that going to the shooting range is the only way to get better at firearm training, and that is far from the truth. Dry fire is extremely important to build the repetition and the safety habits. My name is Frank Latella. I'm a firearms instructor, self-defense instructor, and I own a gun shop in South Florida. The Titan X is $200, which is less expensive than some of its competitors, but if you're going to drop 200 bucks, you want to make sure that this is something that you're going to use. So you might think, hey, this is a great product. You get it, you use it once or twice, and then it just sits in the drawer. That's like getting a gym membership, right? The famous New Year's resolution. You get a membership, you're motivated at first, but then the motivation wears off and you don't have the discipline. Firearm training is training, just like going to the gym. You train, you work out. So if this is something you are going to get, make sure that you have a consistent training regimen to actually get better and put this money you're spending to good use. I'm going to put a link in the pinned comments as well as the description of this video so you can go to Mantis's website and learn a little bit more about it. All right, let's get hands-on. So there are a few things that I love about the Mantis and a couple things that I dislike. We're going to talk about it. But real quick, I want to talk about the Armory Project. Now, before you fast forward, this is not an ad. I'm not selling you anything. In fact, the Armory Project is a nonprofit. I'm going to make it sweet and simple. For more details, go to their website, armoryproject.org. The Armory Project partners with gun stores and FFLs like myself, and we provide temporary and voluntary out-of-home storage of firearms for people going through a mental health crisis. So to be straightforward with it, when somebody owns a gun and they are suicidal, we take their guns voluntarily, meaning it's not a red flag law protection thing that is issued by the court or the police. It's none of that. It's the person in crisis and the gun dealer or the FFL. The topic of suicide by firearm is a bit taboo. A lot of people in the firearm industry don't want to believe it because the thought of it is, well, if we talk about it, then people are going to want to take the guns. The truth is the truth. Numbers are numbers. One of the leading causes of suicide, or let me rephrase that, one of the leading methods of suicide in the United States is suicide by firearm. The cause itself is another thing, PTSD, mental illness, whatever the case is. So if we can put a little bit of time and distance between the person in crisis and their firearms, that is the goal. In the state of Florida, I'm the first FFL gun shop to be partnered with them. There's a few other shops in Florida as well as a few other states as well. I made a detailed video about the Armory Project, what they do, how I was introduced to them at SHOT Show, and a lot of other information. I'm going to pop that video up here, and it's going to be in the description of this video. Because I used the word suicide in that video and I didn't blur it out, the video does not have many views. So I am asking you, regardless of what you think about the Mantis or anything else, if you could share that video, that's going to be in the description, to get the word out to help people in crisis, I would much appreciate that. All right, so what I love about the Mantis, it is a replica of a Glock, right? They have the full-size models, Glock 19, Glock 45, and Glock 17. They're going to be working on some other options as well. So it's a replica of this. It has our magazine catch. We have our trigger safety, right? You need to be fully pressed on here. And I think the best part is that trigger reset. So we can dry fire on real firearms. Of course, once you clear it, unload it, face a safe direction, you can dry fire on this. And honestly, you should, even if you own a Mantis, under the supervision of an instructor, let's say. But the downside is you're going to get one click, right? You're only going to be able to fire once. This allows me to keep shooting, and that's one of the things I really love about it. Now, of course, we have the laser, right? So it gives me that instant feedback so I know where I'm hitting. Granted, no recoil, but it allows me to get that feedback instead of saying, well, I think I'm hitting here or there, and then you go to the shooting range a few weeks after you practice dry fire and realize you're all over the place, rather than being able to self-correct on the spot. We can draw from a holster. So we have those blue guns, the yellow guns, right, that we can practice with that are rubber, and it's not going to fit. This is in my holster, so I can practice drawing, practice my obtaining my two-hand grip. Now, as far as the weight, right, one of the things I dislike about it, we can't like everything. If I take my, and now this is a replica of the Glock 45. If you're not familiar with it, it is 9mm, a hybrid essentially between the Glock 17 and the Glock 19. It has a Glock 17 frame and a Glock 19 slide. They call it the Glock 45. This is a Glock 17 with the optic. So of course it's going to be a little bit heavier, but just so you have a basic idea of the difference, from here you can clearly see this is much, much lighter. Now, what I really do like about it is the weighted magazine that it comes with. So you have the magazine that fits just fine. I'm going to plop this magazine here. That's the Mantis magazine. Now, this is a standard Glock magazine. Now, of course, this is empty, but there is a massive difference. What I love about that is when I'm practicing, let's say, reloading or pretending like I'm clearing a malfunction, it has some weight to it. And that's what I really like. Now, check this out. The weighted Mantis magazine fits in this. You can't get any more real than that. And just to flip-flop, if you have a bunch of Glock mags at home and you wanted to do more drills about reloading and whatnot, instead of buying additional, it still fits a real magazine. Now, I'm happy that Mantis gave us two. All right, now, another thing that I dislike about it. I don't have a slide. Now, of course, it has a lot of what we need. The way I see it is I like to do dry fire to practice clearing malfunctions. So let's just say I have to strip my magazine and clear that double feed or that stovepipe. I will just shadow that motion of clearing, of racking the slide and doing it. But to really get that muscle memory, I wish it had a slide on it. Now, perhaps because of the way the electronics and the gyroscopes and all this fancy stuff is situated in here, maybe it's not possible. But one thing that would be excellent, maybe Mantis already has it coming. If not, here's a great idea. Something a little bit heavier and something with a slide would be excellent. But for what it is and for the money, it's pretty good. So the laser is pretty powerful, right? When we do it close up, you can clearly see it. My thought was, well, is this only going to work at a close range? So I'm about 40 feet away from that 8.5 by 11 piece of paper of that guy's face over there, and I'm going to squeeze the trigger, and I can see it very clearly. Hopefully on the camera you still can as well. So this gives me that instant feedback of, even at a relatively far distance, that I can still see that circle, that dot, when I'm training. So what really sets the TitanX apart from its competitors is that it connects to their app, the Mantis app, via Bluetooth. The sensors and gyroscopes, it gives you instant feedback and coaches you on how to do better. Now, I chose in this video not to go through the app because it is something that you can check out yourself. You can download the app without having the product, just to take a look and see what options there are. I wanted to make this video based off of what I thought of the product as a whole as an instructor. And a lot of the stuff that I'm doing with my clients doesn't involve the app, although it is a good feature. Do you own any products by Mantis? If so, comment below on which one and what are your thoughts on it. I love posting videos like this on YouTube. I'm extremely busy with my retail business, my training business. This is something that I try to make videos when I have the time, and it's something I want to do more of, but I want to make videos that you want to watch. So drop a comment on what type of videos that you would like to see. More product reviews, current events, use of force, self-defense, maybe hand-to-hand self-defense. So drop a comment below. Be safe because you are your own first responder.